Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore a simple yet very useful feature in Excel that can help you organize your spreadsheets better. Hiding and unhiding sheets can keep your workbook tidy and make it easier to focus on the data you need. First, open Excel on your computer and locate the workbook where you want to hide a sheet. Next, look at the bottom of the Excel window where the sheet tabs are displayed. Then, right-click on the sheet that you want to hide. From the menu that appears, select the option Hide. If you want to view it again later, you will need to unhide it. To do this, right-click on any visible sheet tab at the bottom. Next, choose the Unhide option from the menu. A small window will appear, showing a list of hidden sheets in the workbook. Select the sheet you want to make visible again, and then click OK. Finally, remember that hiding sheets does not delete any data. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with others who might benefit.